This is the lesson on sales taxes, which are pretty easy to figure out. Sometimes it's difficult to know how to apply the rules. All right. First one. It says if taxable merchandise of $170.59 is sold in a Wisconsin county that has added the 0.5% tax to the state 5% tax, what is the total amount due? So the amount sold is 100%. We want the total. The total includes the tax, which would be 105.5%. Started out at $170.59. We want to know what the total is. So we cross multiply and divide 170.59 times 105.5 divided by 100, and we get $179.97. Next one. Let's see what happens here. Now we want to know, we have $242.88 is the 100%, because that's how much the sale was. We just want to know what the tax is, which is 5.5%. So cross multiply and divide this time. We would take, I'm going to move it so that you can see it better, 242.88 times 5.5 divided by 100, and we get $13.36. Last one, nope, next one. Sidney McGrath bought $169.56 on school supplies. Using 5.5 calculate the total. So she spent $169.56. That's 100% was the sale. We want to know the total, which is 105.5%. 169.56 times 105.5 divided by 100 is 178.89. Now, let's look at this number 5. You are thinking about buying a car for $25,099. If you trade in your old vehicle for $5,600, calculate the 5.5 sales tax on the gross price. So you have to calculate it on the whole $25,099. That's the base. That's the sale price. You can't deduct the $5,600 when you do the math. And let's see, what else do we have here? Okay. Now, one of the rules that's true in Wisconsin, I'm going to show you it in your book here. If you make purchases from an out-of-state firm on which sales and use tax was not charged, you must report Wisconsin sales and use tax on line 36. You must also report sales and use tax on taxable purchases from a retailer located in another country, regardless of whether you were charged any tax for that country. And the way you do it is you have to go by the total amount of tax that you should have paid if you bought it in Wisconsin. So in this case here, $21,599 is the amount that you bought. That's the sale price. It's always based on the sale price. Since it's 1.7% less, we want to know how much would you save by buying it in that state. Well, when you cross multiply and divide here, 21,599 times 1.7 divided by 100, you would save $367.18. Since that is a lot of money, the state of Wisconsin has said you have to report that as sales tax that you have to pay in Wisconsin to help provide relief for Wisconsin retailers. If you have any questions, though, make sure you consult your tax attorney, because this is not a tax column. This is just a math class. Now, this next one, you have to see which ones don't apply. Food consumed at home, but you do have to pay on snack foods. Okay, so eggs, they are not taxable. Coca-Cola is taxable. Popcorn is taxable. Okay, so we're going to first of all find out the bill on the taxable stuff. Taxable. The tax on the taxable, 5.5%, and the taxable is 109. No, it's 429 plus 435. Okay, so I'm going to use my calculator, and it's going to be, now the whole product is 429 plus 435. That whole amount is multiplied by 5.5 and then divide by 100. And we get 48 cents. Okay, so we're going to take our 48 cents, add the 429, add the 435, and add the eggs, and we get $10.21. So that's how you do those problems. The other kind of problem that you're going to run into is excise taxes. This one we already did. That one we already did. Here we go, excise taxes. You buy 21.4 gallons of gasoline. The federal excise tax is 0.184 per gallon. In this state, the state excise tax is 0.139. There are no sales taxes on gasoline. What is the total amount that you pay in taxes? Well, you're going to take the 21.5 times the two taxes, 0.184, add 0.139. That's how much taxes you're going to pay. So it's 21.5 times 0.184, add 0.139, and you're going to pay $6.94 in taxes. So that's how you figure federal excise taxes. Let's see, are there any other questions? Here's one. Daryl and Anya rents a motel room while on vacation. Calculate the total that appeared on her charge card. Okay, so let's add this up here. So it's going to be 3 times 140, 25. Okay. Then multiply that by 0.0399, that's the city tax, plus 0.012 plus 0.07, and then $12 per night. Oh, and the taxes apply to that, so it's going to be 3 times 140.25 plus $12. So they're really getting it to you, aren't they? All right, here we go. 3 times. Now notice, we need to multiply by the sum of those two things. Let's add them together. 140.25 plus 12. Okay? And we're going to take that whole sum times the amount of tax, 0.0399 plus 0.012 plus 0.07. Now that is just the amount of tax. So we have $55.68 in tax. So onto that tax, we're going to add 55.68 plus 3 times our 140.25 plus 12. And we get 5,000. I must have done something wrong. Let's try it again. Yeah, you better not be paying that much. 55.68 plus 3 times parentheses 140.25 plus 12. There we go. And we get $512.43. If you have any questions, give me a holler.